Yes. Good afternoon all. This is NITHYAPRIYA from Department of English, and hereby I am going to take the topic The Power of Prayer, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. And next slide. So this is one of the autobiographical story that was entirely written by Abdul Kalam itself. And next, and he was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, and he was his resting place was he was died on 27th July 2015, and some of his important works were Wings of Fire, India 2020, Ignited Minds, Indominate Spirit, Transcendence, My Spiritual Experience with Padmuka Swamiji, and he got his education, that means his college was done in St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, and next he completed his PG in Madras Institute of Technology. And here we are going to see entirely the life history of Abdul Kalam. So it was entirely done by the Abdul Kalam itself. So certainly it was called as an autobiographical work. And first one, he was just specialized in Indian aerospace, and also he was called as a great scientist and also statesman, and he was also the 11th president of India from 2000 to 2007, and he was born and raised in Rameshwaram, and even he was brought up in a Muslim family. He just always loved to be in a Hindu religion also. And next slide, ma'am. And after that, Kalam was elected, sorry ma'am, next slide please. So, in the beginning we had given some of the detailed description of the author introduction, and now we are just entering into the work. So, the power of prayer, it's entirely depends upon the memory of the Kalam, that means APJ Abdul Kalam. He was just born in a middle class family in Rameshwaram. The Rameshwaram was especially known for a Hindu religion, because most of the Hindu religious temples were acquired in the Rameshwaram only, and there his father's name was Jain Ulaluddin, and he was a great possession. He was like one of the spiritual man who will be always spending most of the time in Masudi, that means mosque only. And after that, Kalam was a short and dark boy, and he was lived in his ancestral home. Ancestral home means Mudadergal Veedu, like that. So he lived there only, and his father, even they were luxury in a lifestyle also. He just want to follow only a simple life, or even they are just giving out a simple life also. Kalam experienced a luxurious life that was given only by his father. And after that, Rameshwaram is especially known as a Hindu pilgrimage center, and the Shiva temple is one of the famous remarkable place that was given in Rameshwaram. So Kalam's locality is full of Muslim people and also Hindus people only, but after that, when he just wants to come into the temple, that means like a spiritual matter, he just wants to read regarding both the Hindus and also in the Muslim region only. So after that, he just most of the time he was spent with the Arabic prayers, that means the Kalam. Most of the time he just wants to learn what is the meaning of Muslim and what are the spirituals that was followed by the Muslim people. Next. And after that, what is the meaning of prayer? He just wants to tell he just wants to conclude what is the exact meaning of prayer. So that here Kalam states that prayer is a kind of conversation between the people and the God. So through the prayer only we can just conclude what we have to just convey to the God itself. So from that, what are the lifestyle of the Kalam's life in the sense? He just rose at 4 AM and he just went to namaz along with father, and after they will be coming back to their fields, like a farming area. They will be just doing some kind of farming, and after that they will be coming back to his house itself, and there and in his house itself his mother was the only person who will be always located there. And some of the hidden truth about Abdul Kalam was he was just the friend of Ahmad Jalaluddin. Ahmad Jalaluddin was the closest friend and cousin of Kalam's father. So after they becoming a friend, they just shared most of their lifestyles and also most of their studies regarding not only like religious, they also like depends upon the scientific knowledge. And after that, Jalaluddin and Kalam, after becoming close friends, they just what is the main topic that was discussed by both of them in this? It's a spiritual matter only regarding both Hindu religion and also regarding the Muslim religion. And next, ma'am. So here he just wants to explain one thing, that even whenever his father went to Masudi, that like mosque, after when he is coming back from his mosque after the prayer, he usually used to dip his fingers in a bowl of water. What it means, when the people who is not feeling well, if they drink the water that was dipped by the Kalam's father, means automatically they will be cured. That is one of the spiritual thing that was followed by the people of the Rameshwaram. So his Kalam usually asked to his father, what is the meaning, how they will be cured, means this is the miracle that was done by Allah, like that usually Kalam's father will be just explaining to Abdul Kalam. So after that, that is the meaning, exact meaning that was given regarding the prayer to Kalam. So he just wants to tell that all the religions, that means entire what are the religions that were followed by the Indian people, everything is comes under the kind of belief. And next one. And also he got after that he just became already in beginning itself told he was the close friend of Jalaluddin. So he doesn't have the knowledge of education, but he has a great knowledge of English. So so he often used to just share his books along with Kalam. So some of the books he just what are the main theme of the book he shared in this? It depends upon the science and technology only. And not only Abdul Kalam was not a single person who brought it by himself. He just molded with the use of a genuine persons who were surrounded with the entire the family only. And this is the end of the work, and thank you so much.